Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reset tire pressure on your Porsche Macan. Before starting, it is crucial to ensure all 4 tires are inflated to their recommended pressure levels, which you can find on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Once your tire pressures are accurate, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position. This will illuminate your dashboard and activate the infotainment system, preparing your Macan for the reset procedure. The initial steps are quick, and then we will take a short drive. Now, let's access the tire pressure monitoring system settings. You'll use the scroll wheel located on the right side of your steering wheel. This wheel allows you to navigate through the various menus displayed on your instrument cluster. Scroll through these options until you see tire pressure or TPMS appear. Once you've highlighted this selection, simply press the scroll wheel inward to confirm your choice and enter the dedicated tire pressure submenu. Once you are in the TPMS submenu, you will need to confirm your tire configuration. Look for an option labeled tire type or tire size. Select this and then choose the correct wheel diameter and tire type that are currently fitted to your Macan. This step is vital for accurate monitoring. After making your selection, confirm it. This action signals to your vehicle's system that it needs to start learning the new tire pressure values from your sensors. To finalize the reset, you'll need to drive your Macan. After confirming your tire type, drive for approximately 5 to 10 miles, ensuring your speed remains above 15 miles per hour. During this drive, your Macan system will automatically detect and learn the new, correct tire pressure values from each sensor. Once the system has successfully registered all pressures, the tire pressure warning light on your dashboard should turn off, indicating a successful reset. Enjoy your drive with peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.